Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two drones with cameras that are perfect for beginners and kids. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. When it comes to capturing stunning moments from the sky, the SOTAONE S400 drone shines with its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. You can snap amazing pictures and enjoy live video transmission through the FPV feature. Looking for some fun and excitement? The SOTAONE S400 drone offers 3D flips in 4 directions, perfect for surprising happiness for kids and families. It also has high-speed rotation and circle flight features, making it a great toy or gift for boys and girls. Safety is always a priority, especially when it comes to kids. The SOTAONE S400 drone comes with full protective guards, ensuring both the drone and kids stay safe during flights. Its mini foldable size makes it easy to carry around and practice your piloting skills. Beginners will love the SOTAONE S400 drone for its stable flight capabilities. With default altitude hold, the drone can hover at a fixed height, making it easier to control. The headless mode and one-key start-land button further simplify the flying experience. Plus, it offers 3 speeds for different skill levels. The SOTAONE S400 drone goes the extra mile with its premium features. You can control the drone using the Smart app, which includes voice control, gravity sensor control, VR support, and even custom flight paths. And don't worry about support because technical assistance is always available. Based on online reviews, the SOTAONE S400 drone has received positive feedback for its HD picture and FPV live video capabilities. Reviewers also appreciate its excellent air stunts and fun features, making it a great option for kids and families. The drone's safety features and portability have been praised, making it suitable for beginners and kids. Users find the drone easy to fly and stable, thanks to its stable flight capabilities and ease-of-use features. The premium features and customer service have also been highlighted positively. Overall, the SOTAONE S400 drone has been recommended as a great entry-level option with impressive value for money. Both the SOTAONE S400 drone and the drone with camera by Loyly have their unique features and advantages. It's time for you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and pricing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.